A very good morning to all of you. Recently, all of you have got the result of first terminal exam 2026 and all of you are now aware of your result. But now we have to select school toppers and we have to award them. So for that, I will announce the toppers from every class. So from nursery, it's Abhiraj Kumar, who has got 680 marks out of 700, that is 97%. From LKG, it's Puspanjali Kumari, who has got 96% and got 678 marks out of 700. Aman Kumar from UKG, who has got 94%. Asana Jha from class 1, who has got the percentage of 89%. From class 2, Sonakshi Kumari, who has got 89%. From class 3, Srishti Kumari, who has got 90%. From class 4, Nandini Kumari, who has got 82%. From class 5, Mukesh Kumar, who has got 84%. From class 6, Ayush Kumar, who has got 86%. From class 7, Ayush Giri, who has got 92%. From class 8, Priyangana Kumari, who has got 96%. From class 9, Murari Kumar, who has got 80%. And from class 10th, Rishabh Kumar, who has got the percentage of 83. So all of you clap for all these toppers because they are our class toppers. Now, from all these classes, we have divided in the different sections to our school. So from the section nursery to UKG, we have the topper Abhiraj Kumar from nursery. Abhiraj Kumar from nursery, please come on the stage quickly, who has got the percentage of 97%. Abhiraj Kumar from nursery, come on the stage. And I will request Pankaj sir, Director sir and Amiri sir also to come on the stage. So Abhiraj Kumar from nursery, I will request Amiri sir to award him with a medal. Clap everybody. Now, from class 1, 2 and 3, we have our topper as Srishti Kumari from class 3. Srishti Kumari from class 3, wherever you are, please come on the stage quickly. Who has got the percentage of 90%, 725 marks out of 800. Srishti Kumari from class 3. And I will request Pinku ma'am to come on the stage quickly. Srishti Kumari from class 3. She is the topper from class 1 to 3. So award her with a medal. From class 4, 5 and 6. From class 4, 5 and 6, we have the topper from class 6, Ayush Kumar. Ayush Kumar from class 6 is the next topper and he has got the percentage of 86%, 691 marks out of 800. Ayush Kumar from class 6. All of you clap once again for him. And I will request Director sir to award him with a medal. From class 7 and class 8, we have once again a topper Priyangana Kumari from class 8. Priyangana Kumari from class 8, who has got the percentage of 96%, 672 out of 700. Please come on the stage quickly. Asa Miss, please come on the stage. Priyangana Kumari from class 8, who has got 96%. I will request Asa Miss to award her with a medal. And next one we have last one from class 9th and class 10th. Once again we have Rishabh Kumar from class 10th. Wherever you are, come on the stage quickly. Rishabh Kumar, who has got the percentage of 83%. And I will request Director Sir once again to award him with a medal. All of you clap. One more thing is there. We have a student from class 9th, Murari Kumar. Come on the stage. Murari Kumar, come on the stage. All of you clap for him. Why I am taking his name is because he has joined our school recently, not very old student, just 2-3 years back, and he was very average student. But now with his hard work and teacher support, he has achieved the topper's rank in his class. He is the topper of class 9th now. So for that, our school management has decided to award him also with a medal. So I will request Director Sir once again to award him with a medal. All of you clap. Okay, that's all for today. And it is just the matter of time. You again will have second terminal exam in September. So whoever has not got good marks or whoever are feeling low or anything like that, you have again chance to improve yourself, and you can again get good marks by improving yourself in second term examination. Thank you.